Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the laptop actually supports a touchscreen. Look up the exact Lenovo model and its specs. Next, power down and visually inspect the display bezel and hinge for damage. Loose LCD connectors can mimic touch failure. Once done, boot into Windows and open Device Manager. You need to find the HID-compliant touch screen entry. You're beginning real diagnostics now. This verifies hardware presence before we chase drivers or settings, so don't skip it. You now focus on software. Right-click the HID-compliant touchscreen in Device Manager and choose Uninstall. Then use Scan for hardware changes to force a reinstall. Make sure Windows Update has run and open Lenovo Vantage or the support site to install OEM touch drivers if available. Once drivers are current, enable tablet PC components and go to Control Panel to calibrate touch input. These steps address most driver and configuration issues. Drivers restore functionality, and calibration aligns input with display. You finish by verifying where the issue persists. Reboot into safe mode or boot a Linux Live USB. If touch works there, the problem is a Windows driver or app conflict. Next, run Lenovo's built-in hardware diagnostics from the recovery menu or BIOS to test the touch controller. If diagnostics report failure or the screen remains unresponsive, prepare model and serial info and contact Lenovo support or a qualified repair shop. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.